So now we are going to change the fan in the inner cabin, and firstly you remove this plastic part that sits like this here on the inside. There you have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and then you just move it downwards. After you have done that, you will be able to reach the fan, as can be seen here. This is the fan here, right here. Here you have the cabin filter as well, which you can change. I would recommend changing both cabin filter when you change the fan. And as you can see here, you have the cable for connecting the fan, in which you have to remove. It's not a big issue. You have to remove this cable from this fan, but actually it's this cable right here which is the fan. So this can be seen here like this. This is the clips inside here, and then you have to detach this plastic part here. We will do that with the screwdriver, and then you have to look at, yeah, it's an easy way out, as you can see. It's very easy, huh? Just removing it. It's not even with screws. It's just with a rotational mounting. You rotate, and you will feel which way. So this is mounting in this side, and clockwise you demount it. So demount it. This can be seen here. So now I have detached the cables, as can be seen here, and I'm ready to remove this part like this. So we still have another cable here which we have to detach. Let's see which we are going to do. As can be seen here, we have the old fan right here, and the reason for changing it is not that it's totally not working, it's because it's vibrating immensely. And here we have the new fan, as can be seen. It's looking, it's actually, the original part is from bear, as can be seen here, and the replacement part is a Ridex. So now we have the part here. We have to mount this clip right here. Its demounting is pretty easy. The screwdriver, you just press this downwards. This is the clip. So voila, there we go, it's in place. Yeah. So now the fan has been mounted, it's in its place as can be seen here, the cable as well, both cables. This is the cable to the fan here, but this is actually the computer, the ECU controlling this fan. And that's about it. So now we can go and have a test. Let's walk around this car. Walk around. So it's working. And it's very good because the fan was not in its rotating balance. So when I had her at 3, the entire part here would vibrate, it would woo, 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 woo. And now it's working perfectly. As can be seen here, I'm actually at, now it's 4 and it's not vibrating. 5, still not vibrating. It's really perfect. It's perfect. And it had another problem as well. It wouldn't increase the fan here. So I would go to 3, 4, then it would increase, and then decrease the flow, and then as well after a couple of minutes it would increase, decrease, increase, decrease, and then increase to its maximum. And the last level here would most of the time not work at all. It would take 5 minutes until it increased at the full level. And now as you can see, it's perfect. It's very good. You can hear that. You can hear it? So that's about it. Mission completed. See you next time.
My whole life I just wanted to